no more scratches, no more blemishes. There's nothing but straight sexiness. Just about to get loaded on the trailer. Look at that. Perfect. That's how she should be. I'm Anthony Supra with the Supra Registry, and I'm going to show you how to pull out the dents in a seat. If something was to like lay on it too long and make an impression, we're gonna pull those out. So as you can see, there's a couple impressions here, there's one down here, and on the actual seat, there's one right here, and there's a couple little ones right here. So we're gonna pull those out. I'm gonna start with these ones. Basically what we're gonna do is we are going to heat it up with the heat gun, and then we're gonna pull the leather. When it gets warm, and it should start to shrink this and pull the seam out. Same with down here, and these ones here. And then we're working on a beautiful anthracite Supra. So we obviously want to save ourselves from having to pay lots of money, and we're going to do that. So what we want to do, get the heat gun, hold it a little bit away from it, and just kind of get it hot, but not too hot. Might keep, you know, a good distance from it. I'm going to use my hand to just feel it's getting a little hot. All right. And then I'm going to turn this off, and I'm going to stretch the leather. It's fucking hot. You can already see it's starting to pop it out. So I'm going to stretch it. I'm going to do this a bunch of times, and eventually we'll get them out. Now, just because I'm by myself, I'm going to see if I can set the phone up so you can watch me continually do this. You're literally just going to pull with two hands, pull the leather apart from each other, and get these out. So stay tuned. There she goes. No more wrinkles. All right. All those indentions are out. Remember how bad these two were? Much, much better. Again, this is a 25-year-old Supra. This one came out. You can still see there's a crease there. That's a little bit damaged. I can't do too much with that. I'm gonna work this a little bit better and get some of that out. And then I got the one in this seat is completely out. So those are all gone. You see a little speck right there. But other than that, I mean, this looks 100 times better. So I can salvage the seat a little bit. So, yep, quick and easy. All you need is a heat gun, a little bit of fingers.